How to make anime characters using Leonardo AI. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy, but before we will simply go to ChatGPT because we need to get help from ChatGPT to make best anime characters using Leonardo AI. So let's go to ChatGPT. If you guys don't have ChatGPT app, you guys can download it from Play Store. Here you guys will simply tell ChatGPT that you want to generate anime character using Leonardo AI. So simply write a prompts for me. Also you will give the anime character details that you want to generate. It can be anything, but it's upon you what type of character you want. Once you do that, after that click on that right side option, like it will be arrow, that arrow. And once you do that, ChatGPT will give you prompt. So simply copy one of that prompt, and once you copy that, go to Leonardo AI. Here you guys will see home, generate, library, more. So simply click on generate. Once you click on generate, here you guys will simply wait for some second. Now here you guys will see nano banana dynamic. So simply select, click on dynamic. Now here you guys will see 3D render, acrylic, cinematic, creative or other things. So simply click on illustration, and also on nano banana simply click here. Now here you guys will see a lot of things. So simply click on enemy, and once you click on anime, now paste your that prompt, and once you paste that, your anime character will be start generating. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.